Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Genie Philippines Adventure. So for today's video guys, we are here at the mountain of Sambuangeta. So our next project for the next community service. Mary and we will give the family here with rice.
Hi, welcome to my I need to channel. Ask people there to help us.
But should I follow you or we wait for you here?
Just wait for me for a while, okay?
I'll wait.
We do rain or shine. Rain or shine. Yeah. Yeah. So we will gonna walk 30 minutes up our location. Yeah, wait. The expat. Guys, this is the way. And we just leave our things for the giveaways because it's raining and it's so really heavy to carry, so we will ask people to get that and carry. Now here sugar cane, we pass in the sugar cane. Then here walk 30 minutes down there. Mary, Robert, Tito Roy, Aunties, Joe, and me. Here is a corn farm. That's a mais in corn farm. Okay. Yeah. Cut the bills. Hello. I'm doing video also. Look at Big Province. That's Big Province. There. Rain or shine. Sorry about my video guys because it's raining so it's not clear. I cover my phone. And all around her is cornfield. Yeah.
This is a yearly celebration. Filipino activity. Yeah, church.
It's still raining, so we are here first in the shed, and before we going to give the giveaway, so we will give them first a parlor games or game for the adults and for the kids. This game is we called it a statue dance. So the kids is really enjoying.
Never break, always fight, never quit, never right, play the game, never life, never shame, there's no time, feel the pain, let the grind, make a change, my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win in life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, push your hand to the back, put me
Salamat.
Mike, sige.
Okay, sige.
Mike.
23. Oh, sige.
Mike.
Okay, wala kang may chipoan. Okay. Ulog bag. Line up ang mga aton. Isang representative sa isang pamilya ra.
Sa kapamilya, mga gulang.
Kung kanino
Ang
na
ginikanan.
maabot ang groceries. May groceries sa bawat
Charlie.
isa sa bawat pamilya.
Ito, likod mo, open mo.
Namin groceries. Isa lain ang mga kulang diri. Mga grocery man ang inyo.
Sumpot na sila dia. Sumpot na sila ko kahuman. Okay lang na. Ikaw mahuman rin batanon.
Usa ka representative sa isang pamilya.
Do.
Naamoy
Pilerido. Titir. Ada titir na? Ada?
Ikaw, Jeffrey, dali.
Dili, nanas mama.
Jeng! 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 We have to thank Paul very much of your good. Salamat. Thank you very much. Very, very good. Salamat sa kano na to.
Thank you for
Ayan mo, sponsor na.
You're welcome.
Na thank you, partner.
Aliens, we're aliens. Call me tourist. Sounds better.
Madalak sa rabi. Nauna wala ka ni. Leha, Beng!
Sige.
Mabeng! Mabeng! Beng! Asa man sila ba? Kada nakalista? Ha? Okay ra na, kasya ra na. Sige.
Dapin sa gamay na salakyan, dapin sa.
Nakalista, wala pa.
We would like to thanks for some expat here in Dumaguete, and this is our video for today. I hope you enjoy. Guys, bye bye.